One day, a young man walked down a busy street. A car passed too close, and the driver shouted at him. The young man felt his face turn red with anger. His heart was fast, his hands were shaking. He wanted to shout back, to fight, to explode. Anger is strong, but anger is also dangerous. It can hurt your words, it can hurt your heart. When we lose control, we lose peace inside. The young man knew this, but the fire was big. He thought, how can I stop this feeling now? Suddenly, he remembered something simple. His teacher once said, breathe before you react. He stopped. He closed his eyes and he breathed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slow air in, slow air out, calm and quiet. The anger did not win. The fire in his chest started to fade. He looked around, and the world was normal again. The driver was gone. The noise was gone. Only calm was left in his mind and heart. This story is simple, but the lesson is big. Only 10% of people control their anger. The other 90% let anger control them. But you can choose to be different. You can be strong. You can breathe, wait, and stay calm inside. Here is the English phrase for you today. I will breathe before I speak. Repeat after me. I will breathe before I speak. One more time. This phrase is short, easy, and powerful. Carry it with you in every moment of anger. Now think, when was the last time you felt angry? Did you shout, or did you breathe? Did anger win, or did you win? Your answer shows your real power, because true power is control, not noise. If this story helped you, take one deep breath now. Click the like button and share your calm with others. Write in the comments, I will breathe before I speak, and subscribe to join more stories and lessons. Remember, English can change your words and your life. The young man felt proud of himself. He did not fight, he did not shout. He stayed calm, and calm is power. He said softly, I can control my anger, and this simple choice changed his whole day. When you control your anger, people respect you. They see calm, not fire. They see wisdom, not noise. They see peace, not war. And that is the true image of strength. Anger is like a storm in the sky. It is fast, strong, and loud. But storms always pass. They never stay. If you wait 5 seconds, the storm is smaller. If you breathe, the sky becomes blue again. Repeat this phrase with me. I am calm, I am strong. Say it again. I am calm, I am strong. Every time anger comes, repeat this line. Words can change your heart and your mind. The young man continued walking. He felt light, like a heavy bag was gone. He smiled at people, and people smiled back. His day was now full of peace, not stress. All because he stopped and took one breath. Remember, only 10% can do this. Only 10% can stop and breathe. You can be part of this 10%. It is a small group, but a powerful group. A group of people who control their life. So, practice this every day. When someone is rude, breathe. When someone shouts, breathe. When something breaks, breathe. 5 seconds can save your peace. If you want more English stories like this, stay with us. Every story gives you new words and new power. Like this video if you want more peace in life. Comment below. I am calm, I am strong. And subscribe to grow in English and in life. The young man arrived at work. His boss was angry, shouting at everyone. He felt the fire again inside his chest, but he remembered the lesson from the street. Breathe first, Speak later, he told himself. He took a deep breath, slow and calm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The boss looked at him, waiting for a reply. The young man spoke softly and with respect. The boss stopped shouting and listened. This is the power of calm words. Calm words open doors. Angry words close them. Calm words heal. Angry words hurt. Calm words build peace. Angry words build walls. The young man chose peace over fire. Remember this English phrase. Peace is my power. Say it with me. Peace is my power. Repeat it one more time. Peace is my power. Carry this phrase in your mind every day. At lunch, a friend came with bad news. The train was late. The food was cold. The day was bad. The friend shouted, "Everything is terrible today." The young man smiled and said, "Take one breath." The friend looked surprised, but he tried it. They both breathed together for 5 seconds. Slow air in, slow air out. The friend felt better, calmer, lighter. He said, "This really works." The young man said, "Yes, it always works. This is how peace grows. One calm person can change another. One calm word can change a conversation. One deep breath can change a whole day. Peace starts with one person, you. Here is a new phrase for you. I choose calm. Say it again. I choose calm. Repeat it. I choose calm. This choice is always in your hands. Anger is easy. Calm is hard. Anyone can shout. Anyone can fight. But not everyone can stay calm. That is why only 10% can do it. Will you be part of the 10%? The young man walked home that evening. The street was full of noise and people. A child dropped a toy and began to cry. The mother looked tired and upset. The young man bent down and smiled. He picked up the toy and gave it back. The child stopped crying and smiled. The mother said, "Thank you so much." He answered softly, "It's okay. Stay calm." Peace was in his words. Peace was in his heart. Anger spreads fast, but peace spreads faster. When you show calm, others feel it too. When you choose peace, others follow. This is the real secret of control. Peace is stronger than anger. Repeat after me. Calm is my choice. Say it louder. Calm is my choice. One more time. Calm is my choice. The more you say it, the more you live it. Now, let me ask you a question. When someone pushes you, what will you do? When someone shouts at you, what will you do? When life feels heavy, what will you do? The answer is simple. You will breathe. The young man sat in his room at night. He thought about his whole day. So many moments to be angry, but he was not. So many reasons to fight, but he did not. He felt stronger than ever before. Strength is not in loud voices. Strength is not in angry fists. Strength is not in fast words. Strength is in silence, calm, and breath. Strength is in control of yourself. Here is a phrase for you to keep. I control my anger. Say it with me. I control my anger. Again, I control my anger. This phrase gives you true power. Only 10% of people can control anger. That is a small number, but a great challenge. Do you want to be in this small group? Do you want to be different and strong? Then practice this skill every day. At dinner, the young man met his family. His brother was upset about school. His sister was upset about work. Everyone at the table was full of stress. The young man stayed calm and smiled. He said, "Let's do something together." They all looked at him with surprise. "Let's breathe. Just 5 seconds." At first they laughed, but then they tried. Soon the whole family was quiet and calm. The food tasted better in silence. The room was peaceful and soft. The brother said, "I feel better." The sister said, "I feel lighter." The mother said, "This is a miracle." And truly it was a small miracle. Calm changed the house, not anger. Peace touched every face at the table. One calm heart can change many hearts. The young man was proof of that. Say this phrase now. One calm heart can change many. Repeat it again. One calm heart can change many. These words are easy, but very deep. Carry them in your mind like light. Now you see the secret of life. Control yourself, and you control the world. Calm is stronger than anger. Peace is louder than noise. Love is greater than hate. That night the young man looked in the mirror. He remembered the angry driver in the morning. He remembered his boss shouting at work. He remembered his family full of stress. In every moment he chose calm. He smiled and whispered to himself, "I am not the same as before. I am part of the 10% now. I can control my anger, and I am free." These words gave him strength and peace. Repeat this phrase now. I am free from anger. Say it again. I am free from anger. One more time. I am free from anger. Let this phrase become part of your life. The world is full of noise and fire. Everywhere people fight and shout. But you can be different. You can be calm. You can shine like a light in the dark. You can bring peace where there is anger. The young man slept with peace in his heart. His dreams were soft, clear, and bright. No storms, no fire, no anger inside. Only calm wind and open blue sky. He woke up ready for a new day. In the morning he felt fresh and strong. He said, "Today I will be calm again." He dressed, he ate, and he smiled. The world outside was still noisy, but inside he was calm and quiet. This is the secret. Calm begins inside. If your heart is calm, the world feels calm. If your mind is calm, the world feels safe. If your words are calm, people feel peace. Peace starts in you, not outside. Here is your phrase for today. Calm begins inside me. Say it with me. Calm begins inside me. One more time. Calm begins inside me. This phrase can guide you every morning. The young man went to the bus stop. Two people were arguing loudly there. He stood, silent, breathing, waiting. He did not join the fight. He stayed calm. His silence was stronger than their anger. One person noticed his quiet face. The anger slowly started to fall. The other person took a step back. The argument stopped. The noise was gone. Calm was stronger than shouting. This is the truth about anger. It grows if you give it fire. It dies if you give it nothing. Silence is not weakness. Silence is power. Calm is the real answer to anger. Say this phrase now. Silence is power. Repeat, silence is power. One more time. Silence is power. This phrase will help you in hard moments. The young man continued to grow stronger. Every day, he faced small tests. Every day, he chose calm over anger. And every day, he felt more powerful. Peace became his natural way of life. His friends asked, "Why are you always calm?" He answered, "Because I breathe before I speak." They laughed, but they listened. Soon, they tried it too. And they felt the same power inside. This is how one person can teach many. You do not need big words to teach. You do not need long lessons to teach. You only need to show peace by example. Actions are stronger than words. Here is another phrase for you. I breathe before I speak. Say it again. I breathe before I speak. One more time. I breathe before I speak. This phrase is simple and always works. The young man became a guide for others. People came to him with anger. He taught them to stop, to breathe, to wait. He taught them to choose calm, not fire. He gave them the gift of peace. And you can give this gift too. When your friend is angry, teach them. When your family is upset, show them. When a stranger shouts, be calm. Your peace can change their heart. Say this with me. My peace can help others. Repeat, my peace can help others. One more time, my peace can help others. Your peace is not only for you. One day the young man walked past a school. Two children were fighting in the yard. He stopped and spoke softly, breathe. The children looked at him with surprise. They tried, and slowly the fight ended. Peace touched even the children. The teacher thanked him with a smile. The children laughed and played again. Anger was gone. Peace was stronger. The young man walked away happy. This is the secret of life. Peace grows when you share it. Anger dies when you ignore it. Love wins when you give it. And calm always brings victory. Repeat this phrase with me. Calm always wins. Say it again. Calm always wins. One more time. Calm always wins. Believe this and you will feel strong. Now think about yourself today. How many times did you feel angry? How many times did you want to shout? How many times did you lose control? Today is the day to change that. You can join the 10% who control anger. You can choose calm over fire. You can choose silence over noise. You can choose breath over shouting. The choice is always yours. Say this phrase now. The choice is mine. Repeat it. The choice is mine. Again, the choice is mine. Your life is in your own hands. The young man lived many more days. He faced many storms, many problems. But he never lost his calm again. He always breathed, waited, and stayed strong. He lived with peace in his heart. People said, he is different, he is strong. But his secret was very simple. Not power, not money, not noise. His secret was calm and breath, and everyone could see the light in him. Now it is your turn to choose. Will you live with anger or with peace? Will you shout or will you breathe? Will you be part of the 90% or the 10%? The answer is in your breath. Take one deep breath with me now. If this story touched you, like this video, write in the comments, I choose calm, and subscribe for more English and more peace. Remember, only 10% can control anger, be one of them.